In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create animation videos in Canva. We'll keep this really simple, so even if you're brand new to Canva or design in general, you'll be able to follow along and make something that actually moves and feels engaging. First, make sure you're inside a Canva design. This could be a presentation slide, a social media post, or a video template. Once your blank canvas or template is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu, and one of the main options there is called Elements. Go ahead and click on Elements. This panel is where Canva keeps all the visual pieces you can add to your design, like shapes, graphics, stickers, photos, charts, and more. Think of Elements as your toolbox for building the look of your animation video. Next, use the search bar at the top of the Elements panel to type in what you want to appear in your animation. For example, you might type arrow, speech bubble, character, or phone icon, depending on the story or message you're trying to share. As you type, Canva will show you a variety of options, including both static and animated graphics. Scroll through the results and click on the elements you like. They'll automatically appear on your canvas. You can drag them around, resize them by pulling on the corners, and rotate them if needed. Take a moment to arrange these elements in the layout you want. This is important because animation will look best when your setup is already clear and visually balanced. Once your elements are placed, it's time to bring them to life. Select the element or group of elements you want to animate by clicking on them. When they're selected, look toward the top of the screen for the Animate button. Click on Animate. This opens up a panel with different animation styles, such as fades, slides, bounces, or more dynamic movements. Hover over each option to preview how your element will move. When you find an animation you like, click to apply it. You can usually tweak settings like direction, speed, or how the animation enters and exits, depending on the effect you choose. Repeat this process for other elements in your design, then press the play or preview button to see your animation video in action. When you're happy with it, you're ready to download or share it as a video file.